super rainy day today. Not much to do but to make some coffee, make some eggs, and have a good breakfast. Yummy. Starting our day here in VIK. Third day? Yeah, day 3. Let's go. Wow. We're just leaving VIK now.
めっちゃかっこいいね、スモーキー。
It's so misty. We were thinking of taking a photo up by the church here in VIK.
We can take a look.
Yeah.
At least.
Let's go drive up there. Some looping photography with Kana.
Yes. めっちゃかっこいいね。映画みたい。ちょっとズームできないから GoPro。そう、ここから下からルピの花たちと一緒に。
Alright, so Kana is just getting done taking some photos here. This is the church in VIK. Oh, but the lens is a little... There you go, cleaned you off. You can thank me in the comments. This is the church in VIK. And down here we have the Reynisfjara, Black Beach. You can see it from the town, it's so cool. And this spot here, if you come to VIK, this is a good photo spot that we discovered down here. You have to take the trail down from the church. You put your photographer right about here, boing, and then you got the church, and you put your subject somewhere here. And then you get yourself some banger Instagram content. Or just, you know, cool photos for your Facebook or whatever. You let me know down in the comments, are they cool or not?
Show me a hot dog.
Well, you have to have hot dog when you're on the road, especially with rainy weather like this. So.
私はアイスクリームで、ジョンちゃんホットドッグです。
いただきます。
どうぞ。
It's a hot dog.
Our first stop is Svartifoss, which is famous for its basaltic columns, which are all black, with a very beautiful hike to get there.
Wow. There's so many trees.
Yeah, very unlike Iceland. Now, this waterfall is called Svartifoss.
アイスランドは木が普通ないんですけど。おや、おや、おや。もう過ぎた。
Ah!
着いたよ。
So nice.
So beautiful.
Oh.
This is the famous Svartifoss. Svartifoss means black waterfall, and it's famous for its sharp hexagonal columns, which are all actually very dark, hence the name Svartifoss.
Very cute. Dream catchers?
Yes.
Oh, baby.
I couldn't resist taking photos of Kana in the car. She was just way too cute.
Hi, Jun-chan. Where are you?
I am driving.
As we're driving, we run into someone very unexpected.
Hey, Matt, I'm filming you now.
Oh yeah, can you imagine? What a coincidence.
Yeah.
I didn't plan it at all. Because there was an awesome spot over there for some fashion photo shoot, just myself, by myself. So I was there like 1 hour. So if I would be there like 5 minutes longer or shorter, I wouldn't meet you guys.
Yes.
Like, God wanted this way. Thank you, God.
God.
Alright, so shall I follow you?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Let's do it.
He's following us now to Jökul's out alone.
Do you see him? Ah, it's so small.
What? You won't believe this. We ran into this guy again.
I didn't do it on purpose. What? Truly it is God's intention.
You don't have Wi-Fi, you don't have phone? It's
Nothing.
like nothing. We just saw him on the road and we're...
Pretty much, yes. I was in the middle of the Black Desert and then suddenly you just appeared right behind me. I was like, whoa, how did it happen?
Well, I mean, it helps that we're driving a big green camper van.
Yeah, and
But-
we have only one main highway, but
Yeah, but like that also means there's so many others that look exactly like us.
yeah,
So, like-
I thought it's like, that must be somebody else. It's impossible. It's you.
I
But
bet-
it was you.
Yeah, I bet every time you see one, you think, is that them? So now we're at the Diamond Beach. We're gonna shoot some ice.
Let's shoot ice, because I love ice, and I bet you love it as well.
Ice is awesome.
ジョンちゃん頑張って撮影中。
In recent years, Diamond Beach has become a very popular spot for Instagrammers because of all the ice washing up on the water here. It creates a very otherworldly aesthetic, with ice lying on the beach scattered around. If you ask me, the name Diamond Beach is a very fitting name.
Pleasure.
Yes.
Such a
It was
good.
meant to
Enjoy.
be this way. Meant to be this way.
Absolutely. What a coincidence.
Right.
Yes.
Take care, guys.
Yeah, bye, enjoy.
See you. I'm staying longer with ice. It's not a game. Stop crying.
I'll see you in Dubai. We go from the ice to the desert.
Yes. Extreme to extreme.
Extreme ice to extreme heat. Oh.
Okay.
Take care, brother.
guys. Bye.
Yeah.
Now really.
We really can't see anything right now.
It's so spooky.
Spooky. So this is still day 3. It's been like this, raining and misty. Not a good time for drones or creating content. It is what it is. It's part of the adventure. We shall endure this crazy weather here.
Just drive slowly.
I will drive very carefully. Especially these roads, there are sometimes sheep or even reindeer. And if you drive too fast, you might pop one.
キャンプ場に着きました。
Ooh.
今日はバーベキューです。
We're gonna barbecue with the Happy Campers grill that we got from the Happy Campers. All right, yeah, there he is. Hey, we have to shower here because we did not go to the hot springs today. Yeah, man. Got some taters ready. Potato. Looks all right. Trim this part. Try to get some outer layers off.
そう、焼肉のタレがあるの。お肉の話。
Cool. Let's just monitor it. Should be fun. Grilling garlic is your specialty.
Yes.
Oh, nasu.
Like, it's hot!
Yeah.
Wow!
Grilling on the road. You think you want some juices too?
Yes.
Let's see if I can do this.
Ooh. 最高。最高だね。
最高.
このコーン美味しそうすぎない？
I'll try to cut it in half.
You can't with that knife.
I can with this knife.
Try to.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
はいどうぞ
Ah.
大きい方取ったな
Well, if you want the larger piece, you can have it, okay? Don't kill me.
食べてみて絶対美味しい醤油つけ
It
た
looks so hot.
OK じゃあちょっと待とうか
Hey, it's John Bear. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. It means a lot. This video is part of a larger series where we travel around Iceland in a happy camper van. If you haven't seen the previous videos, then make sure to check them out. If you want to stay tuned for future videos, then hit that subscribe button and like button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.